Okay, so a lot of people have asked me to film pretty much a meal prep type thing, like what I prepare for us to eat throughout the week to make sure that we are either losing weight, maintaining weight, or basically just eating healthy. So today I want to show y'all a few recipes that I like to make sure that we are getting what we need throughout the week and that we're eating healthy. Um, and so yeah, let's just see. I'll tell y'all what you can substitute a lot of this stuff with if you are losing weight. I am actually not trying to lose any more weight at this moment. I'm trying to basically like bulk up and gain a little bit of weight. So I'll tell you like what you can substitute this for, or what would be a better option for you if you are trying to lose weight, so you can adjust this meal plan accordingly to whatever your goals are. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so basically what we're about to do is we're about to make some honey lemon garlic salmon, and it's so good. So first thing I did was I just mixed a third a cup of honey and a fourth a cup of grass-fed butter. Grass-fed butter is so much better than regular butter. It doesn't have all the fat and the sodium and all of the bad stuff in it. It is very difficult to find. So if you can't find grass-fed butter, I just suggest using like olive oil or coconut oil or some type of oil-based product to make sure that everything mixes easily. And now we're going to take a little bit of minced garlic. And I'm just going to take about like this much. And we're going to dump that in there. You want to put at least about 4 of these in there. You want to taste the lemon, but you don't want it to be like overpowering. And then you just want to mix all of that together very well. And it's going to be difficult to mix in the beginning because honey and oil doesn't like to mix very well. But you just want to mix all of that up very, very good. You can put this in the oven, which a lot of people do. And you want to put it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes if you do decide to put it in the oven. But we're going to put ours on the grill. Mike thinks he's somebody on the grill, so we're going to put it on the grill. And you want to leave it on the grill for about 20 to 25 minutes. And you want to, I'll show y'all how the salmon looks so you'll get what I'm saying. So this is our salmon. We go to Sam's and get a nice size piece of salmon. You can get this for about $20, and that should be about a good 8 pieces of salmon. So this will last you pretty good for a week, for 2 or even 3 people. So I'm just gonna season this with like a little bit of Himalayan pink salt, just a smidgen. You don't need a lot. And then some black pepper. It's nothing fancy about it. If you do get salt, like you do want to get like Himalayan pink salt or sea salt. You don't want the regular iodized salt. We're gonna pour our mixture that we made all over it. Alright. Now that all of that is on it. So next, I think that if you are starting off with losing weight, that you don't need to have any carbs. Like you should cut your carbs because that'll be like the quickest way to see results. But me, I love carbs and I couldn't go completely without. So a good alternative is sweet potatoes. If you have to have some type of starch, sweet potatoes are the best. And I just have a cookie sheet right here with some foil. And I'm just going to put me a few on here. Actually, I'm just going to put all of them on here. Apparently, they come 4 to a bag, which is perfect. Mike doesn't really care for sweet potatoes, so these will probably all be mine. I just cut like 2 little slits in each of them. Like, I don't know why. I think it just makes the the heat penetrate them a little bit quicker. In my personal opinion, it may or may not. It's just in my head, y'all. And I have my oven set on 385, and I just sit them in there for about 45 minutes. Those are the sweet potatoes. On to the next thing. Okay, you guys, so this is the chicken breast that is going to go in our chicken stir fry. Well, our chicken broccoli stir fry. Okay, so what I've done is I've went ahead and I've rinsed off some chicken, and I started off with a bowl of chicken here, and I just took them out and I placed them on a piece of foil. I have not seasoned them yet or anything. These are the chicken breast tenderloins. They're a little bit smaller than the regular chicken breast. I like these because they cook faster and it's good with like portion control. So you know that you can have 2 of these and that's a good amount. It's equivalent to a nice thin sliced chicken breast and you won't overeat. Okay, so here you have it, and you can see what I've pretty much done is I've seasoned both sides with the Himalayan pink sea salt, the black pepper, the onion powder, the garlic powder, and some parsley, and I just sprinkled it lightly on both sides. You don't want to over season your food. You want to season it very, very lightly because a lot of calories come from seasoning. Yes. So the paprika is obviously for color because we all know paprika don't really taste like nothing. It's just pretty and it's there for color. So I sprinkled that on top. And then as you can see, I just put a cap full of olive oil, the extra virgin olive oil that we used. That we're going to use is like this. I got this from Whole Foods. You can get extra virgin olive oil from anywhere. And it's just mainly because I want to get some juiciness in there, and I want to keep all of the moisture in the chicken. So I'm not going to like massage or anything. It's going on the grill, so it'll be perfectly fine. So now I'm just going to close all of this up and put this right on the grill with the salmon. Okay, so next we're going to make a chicken broccoli type of stir fry. So right now, as you know, our chicken is already on the grill. So what we're gonna do next is go ahead and prepare. Our vegetables. And so I have Tata. Thank you. So I have a bag of broccoli right here that I just got from Sam's. If it's just you, you probably don't need this big bag, but you can get it at Walmart. I got this at Sam's. Next, I have this 3 pepper and onion. Okay, so our chicken has come off of the grill, and I put it in this pot with the rest of the vegetables that we had previously made, and I cut the chicken up and stuck it right in here. So now we're going to take just some regular old soy sauce, and we're just going to put a few shakes of the soy sauce in here. You don't want to like oversaturate it, but you want just enough to where you can taste it. Feel free to add a little bit more if you need to. I put about 7 shakes in there. Just know that soy sauce is high in sodium, so you don't want to put a lot of salt on everything because it's high in sodium already. So we're just gonna mix that up in here. Y'all look at all of these colors. Look at all of this. It just looks so good, y'all. It's so good. So you want to just let this sit on the stove and cook for about 10 minutes. Let everything soak all together. And then after that, toss it in your meal prep bowl and you got you a meal. Okay, so for the remaining chicken that we have here in the bowl, we're just going to also season this with some salt, some pepper, and some garlic powder and paprika. And this is going to go in our wraps. We're going to make Hawaiian barbecue chicken wraps. It's going to be so good, you guys. We're going to come over here to our skillet, and we're just going to place them in this. In this skillet, I just have 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And we're just going to cook them on both sides until they are all the way done. That's all I know about that cast iron skillet though. Ooh. Okay, so we're just going to cook those until both of them are done. Come over here to our vegetable mixture. Look at that color, y'all. Tell me that doesn't look beautiful. Oh my God, I want to eat it now. So yeah, we're just going to let that cook. And we still have our sweet potatoes in the oven, so I'll let y'all know. Okay, y'all, so this is our salmon. Look at that, y'all. Look at them nice, crispy edges. Like, oh my God. Salmon is done. We're going to divide this up, and then we're going to put it in our containers. Chicken is still cooking over there, looking yummy. And the sweet potatoes are out. So we're going to start packaging some of this stuff up, and we still have a few more meals to make. Okay, so now all of our chicken is done. I have just cut it up into small squares in this skillet. And so now we're just going to add a little bit of barbecue sauce, a little bit, y'all, of the honey barbecue sauce by Sweet Baby Ray's, best barbecue sauce like ever. And I'm just going to add just a little bit, like that much. And I'm just going to mix it around. You don't need a bunch because barbecue sauce tends to have, especially Sweet Baby Ray's, it can have a lot of sugar in it, so you don't need a lot, just enough to like coat every piece of chicken that you have in here. And I have my stove turned down on low right now. Okay. So, don't that look good, y'all? Like, oh my god. Okay, so now for our barbecue Hawaiian chicken wraps, we are just going to take a little bit of that barbecue chicken from out of that pot that we made the barbecue chicken in and place it in a whole wheat tortilla. If you're trying to lose weight, or even if you're not trying to lose weight, whole wheat tortillas are a lot better and they're a lot less calories than the original flour tortillas. So we just put about 2 scoopfuls of that in here. Next, we're going to take a few of these pineapple chunks. You can get fresh pineapple or the canned pineapple. It's up to you. And we're just going to put a few of those in there. Not too many, however many you like. And then you want to just get a little bit of mozzarella cheese. And you want to put that, sprinkle that on here like that. Y'all see, it's so good. And then you just want to take a little bit of romaine lettuce. And then you just want to wrap it up. You know what I'm saying? Wrap it up all nice and good and tight. And then it's all ready to go. Closer than that. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so this is just a few of the quick, easy little recipes that you can put together for a couple of meal preps, just to get you started off. And of course, other than what you've seen, we also have the wraps. I'm just not making those right now. You'll make those when you're ready to eat them. But I hope this video is helpful. If you guys would like to see more recipes and more different types of meals that I prepare, please be sure to let me know down in the description box or in the comments. And I appreciate you guys, and until next time, peace and blessings.